For us, it's very important that we have a sound population, not only now, but also in the future. And that's part of the international breeding program. And such a breeding program, it has to ensure that the population is sound and genetically sound for many years. And that can only be done if you make sure that the right animals get together so you avoid inbreeding. No, it hurts sometimes, but it's a little bit like a vaccination. It hurts when you get the needle, but it's actually to get it in order to get a better life afterwards. And this is for the population, this is the best thing.
Ignoring a storm of criticism from animal rights activists, the Copenhagen Zoo goes through with its plan to kill and butcher a young healthy giraffe named Marius. The zoo defends its decision, saying the 18-month-old giraffe had to be put down because of a lack of space. It says it also had to comply with rules on inbreeding to ensure a healthy giraffe population.
The giraffe walked out here at 9:15 and was led out into its yard over there. Then there was a zookeeper with some rye bread. He really likes rye bread, and he said, "Here you go, Marius, here's some rye bread." I stood behind with a rifle, and when he put his head forward and ate the rye bread, I shot him, straight through the brain. It sounds violent, but it means that Marius had no idea of what was coming. He got his bread, then he died.
Graphic handout video from the zoo shows the veterinarian butchering the animal in front of children. A British zoo had offered to give Marius a home and even started an online petition to save the giraffe. It gathered more than 25,000 signatures, but that wasn't enough to save him. The zoo said his carcass will be fed to its lions, polar bears, and tigers.